Hi guys, welcome back to Melissa's Kitchen channel, and today I'm back with another Jamaican recipe video. And today we'll be doing our Jamaican rice and peas and fried chicken. So here I have some chicken that I have seasoned overnight. So I seasoned some salt, some pepper, some powdered seasoning, some onion, pimento, and I put it in the fridge overnight to seize. So I put it in the fridge overnight to marinate, and now I'm take them out this morning to fry them. So we're going to show you the process of how we do our Jamaican rice and peas and fried chicken. Stay tuned to see more. So we're going to start off this video by frying our chicken, right? So we first need to get our flour ingredients to coat the chicken to fry it. So we're going to start off here. So depending on the amount of chicken you have, you use the amount of flour you have. So here I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, black pepper to flour. We're also going to add a pinch of salt, some garlic powder. We're also going to add some onion powder. Now, if you want to add a little spice, you can add some chili flakes or some cayenne pepper. I have some cayenne pepper here, just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper as well. I'm also going to add some of my Maggi season up. This is the chicken flavor. So add a little bit of this as well. About enough. So I'm going to now stir everything together to get it blended. Add any more seasoning you want. So if you have more powdered seasoning, you want to add it as well, you can add more powdered seasoning. So everything is ready for me to fry the chicken. So I'm going to heat my pot with the oil. Here my pot with the oil being heated. So our oil is hot. Now we're going to gather our chicken and flour. So here we have our chicken. We're going to add it in our flour mixture and toss it to coat it. Toss it well in the flour. Then we're going to add it to our heated pot of oil. Hear that sizzle? Yes. And allow it to fry. So I'll keep on adding more chicken and allow them to fry on both sides until golden brown. So once they're golden brown on both sides, we can remove them. So here we have it, our fried chicken here. Now we just started frying some, so this set is finished. We have some more set frying before we're finished, but just want to give you guys a close-up on fried chicken here. Now we're going to get back to cooking our rice and peas. So we're going to fry chicken, we're going to set it aside until we're ready to serve. Now we're going to deal with the rice and peas. So after washing the peas, I'm then going to add it to my pressure cooker with water in it, and then I'm going to add about 1 or 2 crushed garlic to it, and then we're going to cover that and put it on the stove and let that cook until the peas are cooked. So here we have our rice. Our peas has finished boiling, so we add our peas in this pot here with the water, same peas water. We add our grated natural coconut milk, some thyme, scallion, not about that right. Our rice after it was finished cooking, I'll cook it and set it aside. So guys, that's it for my video for today. So this is my dinner. We have some rice and peas I made some gravy. We have our fried chicken, some fried plantain, and a piece of pear.